Customizing settings. Once you've finished adding a device, you can personalize its settings to perfectly match your daily habits. Let's use an IR device for this demonstration. Simply find the device in your app list and tap it to jump straight into the detailed configuration page. Basic Info and IR Emitter. Here, you can personalize the device name and icon to your liking, as well as toggle the IR emitter settings. Once you're all set, just tap Complete to save everything. Add or fix commands. If the U3 code library doesn't quite cover all the commands from your original remote, you can manually learn them using Add command. Just enter the button name and hit Next. The system supports learning for infrared IR as well as RF 433 and 315 MHz signals. Let's take IR learning as an example. Point your original remote directly at the U3. Pro tip: try a short press first. If that doesn't work, try a long press instead. That usually does the trick and improves your success rate. Once learned, the command will be synced and appear right in your list. Fix command. If a button isn't responding or triggers the wrong action, don't worry. There's no need to delete and re-add the device. Just tap Edit next to the command to fix it. The first way to do this is by selecting Learn commands from the original remote. The second method is to select a suitable command from the cloud. Once you're in, just tap the blue test button in the center. If your device doesn't respond, hit No, and the system will automatically switch to the next set of commands for you to try. If the device performs the correct action, tap Yes. The system will ask if you want to replace the current command. Just hit Confirm, and that button is officially fixed. The third method is Command Repeats. If you find that your device is overly sensitive, like a single press triggers the action twice, try decreasing the repeats value. On the other hand, if the response feels sluggish or doesn't trigger at all, simply increase the value. A quick adjustment here ensures your device reacts perfectly to every single press. Finally, if you want to make a command name more intuitive, just tap Rename to customize it. Customize remote buttons. Head over to Device Settings and tap Customize Remote Buttons. This is where you can remap every physical key to perfectly match your muscle memory. There are two types of buttons here: global buttons that control universal actions like power across all pages, and device local buttons tailored just for your current gear. Want to get creative? You can even map commands from a completely different device to any button you choose. The setup process is the same for all buttons, but let's use the global button for this demo. One of the best things about the U3 is that it supports both short and long press modes, effectively doubling your available commands. The setup process is identical for both, so let's use long press for this demo. Once you've picked your trigger method, you can choose to assign either a normal key command or a macro key. After selecting your specific command, just hit Submit. And just like that, this button works exactly the way you want it to. Favorite commands. If you find yourself running out of physical buttons, or if there are certain commands you want to access instantly, Favorite commands is a total game changer. It lets you place any command directly on the remote screen for one-tap execution. Tap Add Commands at the bottom and check the boxes for the instructions you want on your screen. And yes, you can even pick commands from other devices. Back on the list page, you'll see all the commands you just added. If you want to tweak their display order, simply press and drag the reorder icons on the left. Once you're all set, these functions will sync straight to the device's sub-menu on your remote, making your daily controls feel so much more effortless. Remove device. If you no longer need a device, just tap the red Remove Device button. Once you confirm, the device data will be completely wiped from both the app and your remote at the same time. Sort devices. As you add more devices to your list, keeping the ones you use most at the very top makes things much handier. Simply tap the edit icon in the top right corner. Once the reorder handles appear, Just long press and drag a device to your preferred spot. When you're all set, hit the check mark to save your list will be updated and synced to the remote automatically.